Hey, it's Chad. Today's June 2nd, a beautiful sunny day, and we're sailing over to Reed Island right behind of us. An island right in the middle of Lake Manitoba, a definite jewel of the lake, something that not a lot of people know about. But it's a great feature for when you live at the Narrows to be able to sail up to that island and play around on the sandy beach and just have a great day. No one owns it. It's white crystal sand and just a beautiful spot. So we're on our way there now. On Reed Island. One of the unique features of this island is you have a horseshoe-shaped sandy beach on either side. So no matter which way the wind's coming from, you always kind of have a sheltered bay, somewhere that you can play with the kids. You can see just off to the right, the white crystal sand goes down that way, and right behind it you have another shore, and the island's like that throughout.